Having trouble deciding which UCLA Undergraduate University apartment is right for you? No need to stress. Here are all the details you need to know about our 9 university apartments located just minutes from campus. Let's start closest to the hill. Right across the street from Deneuve Plaza at 475 Gayley Avenue is Westwood Palm. Just inside the entrance, you'll find mail and package boxes as well as a small lounge area. Well, just a couch, and that cool plant. Every university apartment comes equipped with an elevator and stairs. Unit doors unlock with both your Bruin card and unique passcode, just like the dorms on the hill. There is also a laundry room on every floor, so no need to worry about lugging your laundry basket too far from your room. Many units have a balcony, so you can bask in those lovely LA days without leaving the comfort of your own apartment. Behind the building is a courtyard with tables for all residents to enjoy. The building also has central heating and air conditioning and a fireplace in each unit. Room types include a 1-bedroom for 3 people, a 2-bedroom for 3 people, and a 2-bedroom for 4 people. For exact floor plans of this building as well as other university apartments, check out the UCLA Housing website and go to My Housing, Maps and Tours, Housing Building Maps, Off-Campus University Apartments Undergraduate Buildings, and select which apartment you would like to view. Here are the Westwood Palm floor plans. As you can see, there is a floor plan for every residential floor. And before we forget, yes, Westwood Palm has parking. It's right downstairs with street access to Gayley Avenue. As with all university apartments, parking is limited and is an additional cost. As you head up Gayley and around the corner to 456 Landfair Avenue, you'll find the massive Westwood Chateau. The lobby includes a comfortable couch, mailboxes, and even a mini exercise room for when BFIT and Wooden just seem too far away. The building has central heating and air, a fireplace and balcony or outdoor patio in each unit, laundry on every floor, and parking. Room types include a 1-bedroom for 2 people, 1-bedroom for 3 people, a 2-bedroom for 4 people, and a 2-bedroom for 8 people. But the best part about Westwood Chateau is the view from its rooftop patio. So you can say, hey, I used to live there, or I always wanted to go there but never did. Now let's take a scooter down to 558 Glenrock Avenue. And here we are at Glenrock Apartments. Take a look at that front gate, and those mailboxes, and that laundry room, and that parking garage, and those stairs, and that barbecue? Yes, that's right. Glenrock has a barbecue and picnic tables for all your weekend barbecuing needs. And you know what else Glenrock has? This gym. This building also includes central heat and ceiling fans in each unit. Room types include a 1-bedroom for 2 people, 2-bedroom for 3 people, and 2-bedroom for 4 people. Just across the street is 555 Glenrock Avenue, or as we like to call it, Glenrock West. Let's take a moment to appreciate its unique beauty. Mailboxes can be found in the lobby and parking to the right of the entrance. Explore a little more and you will find an exercise room, a study room, and laundry rooms. Go all the way to the roof and be overtaken with stunning 360 views of Westwood and beyond on the rooftop patio, complete with tables and chairs. For those who fear heights, a central courtyard is also available for your own enjoyment. The building has central heat and air and a balcony for most units. Room types include a 1-person studio, a 1-bedroom for 2 people, 1-bedroom for 3 people, 2-bedroom for 3 people, and 2-bedroom for 4 people. 510 Landfair Avenue is home to the lovely Landfair Vista. You'll be immediately taken away by its lush courtyard and network of stairs and walkways that will practically take you to the roof. Or you can just take the elevator. Amenities include laundry, central heating and air, parking, and if you're lucky, a balcony or even rooftop patio. These are the room types available in Landfair Vista. If you think you've seen it all, you haven't seen Landfair Apartments down on 625 Landfair Avenue. If you ever wondered what Saxon Suites on steroids looks like, this is it. The communal courtyard comes equipped with a barbecue and the biggest picnic table you've probably ever seen. a laundry room on the second floor, and a couple of rooftop patios with great benches and even greater views. And when you're ready to leave, say hello to this lovely set of stairs. Or elevator. The building has central heat and ceiling fans in each unit, and options for a one-person studio, a one-bedroom for 2 people, or 2-bedroom for 4 people. Let's take a trip back to 565 Gayley Avenue, where you will find Gayley Towers. If you like Bunch Hall, you'll definitely like this building, as it has an inner courtyard abundant with miniature palm trees. In pots. This apartment comes with heating and air wall units inside each apartment, parking, a UCLA spirited laundry room, easy access to the bus stop, and is just steps away from campus. Room types include a 1-person studio, 2-person studio, 2-person studio loft, and a 3-person studio loft. Continue down the street and you'll get to 715 Gayley Avenue, or Gayley Court. The lobby has a small study room complete with tables and chairs. Other amenities include central heat and air, laundry on every floor, an outdoor area, and balconies. Gayley Court only has one room type, a 2-bedroom unit for 4 people. Although the walk is a bit farther to campus, it is much closer to Westwood Village, which comes in handy for grocery shopping time. Last but certainly not least is Levering Terrace, located at 885 Levering Avenue. This is our newest university apartment, opening just at the beginning of the 2019-2020 school year. Take the elevator or stairs up to the different patio lookouts and feast your eyes upon the beauty of Westwood and the convenience of being close to such rich resources. Although not every floor has its own laundry room, there is a communal laundry room in the back of the building on the 6th floor. Individual units come equipped with wall heaters and ceiling fans, and the available room types are a 1-bedroom for 2 people, 1-bedroom for 3 people, and 2-bedroom for 6 people. The one thing to know about Levering Terrace, though, is that it has no parking. Good thing it's close by to you know what. And that wraps up the UCLA Undergraduate University Apartment Tours. For more information about pricing for each room type, just go to Rates, Contracts, and Rules on My Housing. Click Housing Contract Rates and Rental Rates, then Single Undergraduate Student Housing Contract Rates. Scroll down to Undergraduate University Apartments, and select which room type you'd like to view. There you will see the per-person rates for that type of room. All utilities, including internet and basic cable access, are included in the price. Payment plan options can also be viewed at the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching, and we hope that this video was useful for choosing your university apartment here at UCLA.